All right, you're looking to do aluminum. A lot of people are, but sadly, a DC welder will not do aluminum. You need an AC or an AC DC welder. That's where I bring in my little friend. It's the MIG 205DS Pro. Let's take a peek at it. So I'm doing a little aluminum welding right now, but this machine does it all. It'll weld stainless, cast iron, mild steel, you name it. And even though it's been like 20 years since I've welded aluminum, it still rocked out this project with no problem. All right, now that you've seen what this thing can do, let's look at the machine itself. This machine does 110 or 220. I'm currently running it on 110. I do have 220, but my outlet is the wrong type of outlet. First thing I like to point out though is just how beefy the MIG whip is. And this is a traditional MIG whip I'm running on argon right now. This will do flux. So if you come down here to weld mode, you can see you can do lift TIG, stick, manual MIG, or synergistic MIG. I am loving this synergistic mode. That's where you set the wire speed and it adjusts the voltage for you. Then you can just adjust your volts. You have 3 up or -3 down. So if you're getting too much penetration and blowing through, you can turn it down. If you're not getting that penetration, you can turn it up. Here's your gas selection modes where you can do your flux. So if you want to use a gasless flux cord wire, you can. If you want to do aluminum like I'm doing right now, you can use your argon. Wire dimensions, super easy to use. And like I said, I cannot stress enough just how high quality these are. The people will probably give me crap for this. I'm actually using a 1-pound spool gun spool of aluminum wire. That's all I had, and it's working just fine. I also want you guys to look at these internal components. Just really, really nice construction, very high quality. If you were to try to go to like a welding supply store and buy a machine that's a name brand that did the quality that this does, you're looking at a $2,500 to $3,500 machine. This one right here does exactly what those do. Doesn't break the bank. Do yourself a favor, save a little money, peep that link, get yours now. Thank you later. Peace.